We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2016 Harley-Davidson Heritage Softail Classic in Superior Blue. This is a beautiful bike, very well taken care of. We have a nice Arlen-Ness intake. Reinhardt exhaust, rider floorboards. We have leather saddlebags that match the detailing on the rider's seat. And we also have a passenger seat and backrest that has the same detailing on it. All the chrome on this bike look beautiful. We have the Live to Ride derby cover, matches a couple of other covers on the bike as well, and the mirrors. Heel toe shifter, and some pretty cool grips. And a nice tall windshield. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.